In this video, I will cover the most basic algebra concepts tested on the SAT. In our upcoming videos, we will move into intermediate and advanced algebra. Now let's start. On the SAT, algebra is not about memorizing formulas. It's about understanding relationships between numbers and variables. Most students lose points because they rush or skip steps, not because the math is hard. Here, accuracy is more important than speed. Now let's learn about algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and operations. Expressions do not have equal signs, equations do. As you can see on the screen, I have written few expressions. Now let's see few examples of algebraic expressions, how we can solve this. In this kind of problem, we have to combine like terms. Here, 4x and 3x are like terms. So if we combine them, we'll get 4x plus 3x, which is 7x. So 7x minus 5 is our answer. Now let's see another problem. 2 times x plus 6. In this kind of problem, be very careful. Distribute carefully. Multiply 2 by both terms inside the parentheses. So we get 2x plus 12 and that is our answer. That's it. Be very careful. Do not write 2x plus 6. Now let's increase our difficulty level and let's solve a little bit difficult expression. The expression is 3 times the quantity a minus 2 times the quantity 3b plus 2. Now we have to multiply our first expression with 3. So if we multiply 3 with our first expression, which is a minus 2, first we have to multiply 3 with a, then 3 with minus 2. And we get 3a minus 6. And then we get 3a minus 6 times 3b plus 2. Now let's multiply 3a times 3b plus 2 and minus 6 times 3b plus 2. So we get 9ab plus 6a minus 18b minus 12. And that's our answer. Now let's solve a little bit more difficult problem. I hope all of you know how to solve fraction. If you don't, then let me know in the comment. So let's solve this problem. The problem is 2 divided by x plus 4 plus 3 divided by x minus 3. As you can see, here are two factors. And to solve this, we have to multiply both of the denominators of these factors. Now, if you don't know what is denominator, then always remember that the bottom part of any fraction is a denominator. Here, the denominators are x plus 4 and x minus 3. Now let's multiply x plus 4 with x minus 3. Then we have to apply cross multiplication, or you can say zigzag multiply. So if we apply cross multiplication, then we have to multiply x minus 3 with 2 and x plus 4 with 3. So we can write 2 times x minus 3 plus 3 times x plus 4. Now we got a new fraction. Here, the numerator of this fraction is 2x minus 6 plus 3x plus 4. And the denominator of this fraction is x plus 4 times x minus 3. Now, if we solve this fraction, we will get our numerator as 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 3. Now, let's solve our last problem from expression, and that is 2x squared plus 5x plus 2 plus 3 minus 2x minus quantity 4 minus 9x plus 3x squared. Now to solve this, we have to first solve the parentheses. Then we can solve the entire expression very easily. Now let's write 2x squared plus 5x plus 2 plus 3 minus 2x. Now watch this very carefully. The negative sign before the parentheses we'll make this positive 4 into a negative 4 and turn this negative 9x into a positive 9x. And that's it. So we can write minus 4 plus 9x plus 3x square. Now we have to combine like terms. Here, 2x square and 3x square are like terms or similar terms. If we combine 2x square plus 3x square, we'll get 5x square. Then 5x minus 2x and plus 9x are like terms. Now if we combine these terms, we'll get plus 12x. And now if we combine the numbers, plus 2 plus 3 minus 4, we'll get plus 1. So our answer is 5x square plus 12 plus 1. And that is our answer. That's it. Now let's learn about linear equation. Always remember that a linear equation has one variable raised to the first power. Our goal is always to isolate the variable. As you can see on the screen, an equation. And if we try to solve this one, first we have to subtract 7 from both sides to isolate our variable. So let's do it. Subtract 7 from both sides. And that's it. We'll get our answer. Now let's see another easy example. 3x equals to 18. And to isolate the variable here, we have to divide 3. We have to divide both sides by 3. So our answer is x equals to 6 because 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. So x equals to 6. This is our answer. On the SAT, equation often have variables on both sides. Let's see an example. 5x plus 2 equals to 3x plus 10. Well, it's a very easy example. First, we have to subtract 3x from both sides. So 5x plus 2 minus 3x equals to 3x plus 10 minus 3x. Now we got a new equation. Now we get a new equation, and which is 2x plus 2 equals to 10. Now we have to subtract 2 from both sides, and we can write 2x plus 2 minus 2 equals to 10 minus 2. So now we can write 2x equals to 8. So now we can divide both sides by 2, and that's it. We'll get our answer. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. So x equals to 4. Now let's see an example of equation with fraction. X divided by 3 plus 2 equals to 6. First subtract 2 from both sides. So we can write x divided by 3 plus 2 minus 2 equals to 6 minus 2. So we get x divided by 3 equals to 4. So to isolate our variable x, we have to multiply both sides by 3. Now if we cancel out 3, so we get x equals to 3 times 4 equals to 12. So our answer is x equals to 12. Now let's see our next example. 2x minus 1 divided by 5 equals to 3. Now to solve this, we have to multiply both sides by 5. So let's multiply. So now we get a new equation, and which is 2x minus 1 equals to 3 5 are 15. So 2x minus 1 equals to 15. So now to isolate our variable, we have to cancel out this negative 1. So to cancel out this negative 1, we add plus 1 both sides. We get 2x minus 1 plus 1 equals to 15 plus 1. Then we cancel out positive and negative 1. So we get 2x equals to 16. Now to isolate our variable x, we divide both sides by 2. So we get x equals to 8. On the SAT, checking your answer takes only 10 seconds and can save your score. Now let's check our answer. Plug x equals to 8 back. So now we can write 2 times 8 equals to 16. So 16 minus 1 divide by 15. Then 16 minus 1 equals to 15. So 15 by 5. So our answer is 15 by 5. And if we cut this, 15 by 5 equals to 3. So our answer is 3. Now let's increase our difficulty level. Let's see a little bit difficult example. 16 divided by x plus 3 minus 5 divided by 3 equals to 1. Now to solve this equation, first we have to solve the left side of this equation. So now we have to multiply both of these denominators. So we'll get a new denominator. So now we write x plus 3 times 3. And to get our new numerator, we have to apply cross multiplication. So we multiply 16 with 3 and negative 5 with x plus 3. So now we write 16 times 3 minus 5 times quantity x plus 3 equals to 1. Now let's solve our new fraction. 16 times 3 equals to 48. So 48 minus 5x, and if we multiply negative 5 with positive 3, we'll get minus 15. So 48 minus 5x minus 15. And if we solve the denominator, we'll get 3x plus 9. So 48 minus 5x minus 15 divided by 3x plus 9 equals to 1. Now we have to simplify this fraction a little bit more. So 48 minus 15 equals to 33. So 33 minus 5x divided by 3x plus 9 equals to 1. Now as you can see, we have a fraction. And the denominator of the fraction is 3x plus 9. Now to simplify the fraction, we can multiply both sides of the equation by 3x plus 9. So we can write 33 minus 5x divided by 3x plus 9 times 3x plus 9 equals to 1 multiplied by 3x plus 9. Now, if we cancel out 3x plus 9, we'll get 33 minus 5x equals to 3x plus 9. Now, we have to subtract 3x from both sides. So 33 minus 5x minus 3x equals to 3x plus 9 minus 3x. So now we can write 33 minus 8x equals to 9. Now to isolate our variable, we have to subtract 33 from both sides of the equation. So now we can write 33 minus 8x minus 33 equals to 9 minus 33. So now we can write minus 8x equals to minus 24. Now we can very easily isolate our variable x. And to do this, we just have to divide both sides by negative 8. That's it. And our answer is x equals to 3. This was part 1 of SAT Algebra, covering the basics you must master. In part 2, we'll move into word problems and modeling, where most students lose points. In our upcoming videos, we'll talk about how you can use Desmos. If you are serious about improving your SAT Math score, subscribe and continue with the series.